And a very big warm welcome to all my yoga tutorial yogis. So we're going to do the warriors today. We're just going to do the warrior 1 and the warrior 2 postures, just to give you a little bit of how I practice it and bring it into my own practice. So we're going to do the standing postures, and we're going to start standing. So what I'll invite you to come to now is just a standing posture, and look at the feet. Make sure that they're underneath the knees, in line with the hips. And the chest is lifted a little bit, the belly slightly pulled in. So you can bring the one hand to the belly, other hand to the chest. And then just close the eyes for a moment. So even if you just have about 10 minutes a day to give back to yourself, that's plenty of time. And then slowly, perhaps, you'll start to add to your practice. Always remember quality instead of quantity. So even if you just do one yoga posture a day, instead of trying to fit the sequences that you see online into 10 minutes, then rather do that 1 or 2 postures with all your awareness, all your attention, with a sense of patience and joy. Take a deep breath in. Feel the belly. Feel the chest. And then exhale fully. And then you can slowly bow the head. So just dropping the chin, look at the feet, release the hands, look at the legs, look at the body, and then lift the gaze. So before we do the practice or the postures, just going to loosen up a little bit into the body. So let's start with the spine. Let's take the arms out, all the way up, and stretch. So this is your back bend. And then as we exhale, we take the arms down. We just look down. We're rounding a little in the spine. Inhale to lift, arching. And then exhale to round. One more. Inhale to lift, look up. And then exhale to lower. And then take the arms out to the side. Palms facing forward. And again, take the hands slightly back so the chest pushes forward. And then wrap the arms around the body, squeeze. And we've got 2 more of these. Breath of joy, inhale. Open, exhale, squeeze. Inhale to open. And then exhale to squeeze. And then slowly open. And then take the arms up. You can interlace the fingers. You can point the index fingers up, ground into the feet, reach up, breathe in, then exhale, bend over to the right side. So you can bend the knees a little bit as the hips go to the left. Come back to center, and then take it to the other side. Center, hands go right, hips go left. Center, hands go left, hips go right. And come back to the center, release. And then take the arms down. Good, and a gentle twist, so hands forward. Keep the hands where they are, facing each other. And then a soft bend in the knees as you take the hands over to the right side. Turn the body. Keep the hips facing forward. Keep the hands the same distance. And then just turn the head. Look over the back, right shoulder. Come back to the center. Let's release, arms up and out to the side. And then back to your starting position. We take it to the other side. Hands forward, palms facing each other. Soft bend in the knees. Deep breath in. And then as you exhale, turn the hands over to the left side, hips face forward, and then turn the head. So you might not go that deep, just that feeling of the twist from the base, up the spine, to the neck. Come out of it, inhale, center. Our arms go up just for a little bit of a release, and then all the way down. Good. And then shake the hands. Lean a little bit forward, and then bounce the shoulders, bounce the knees. So just loosening all of that tension in the neck. And then relax. And then we're going to balance onto our left leg. Shake out the right foot, kick it up. Relax, and then point and flex. And circle. Change direction. And then kick out the knee. Relax. Make a circle of the foot. Oh. Change direction. Relax. And then just swing the leg back and forwards. And then lift and lower. Onto the other side, so balancing. Right foot, lift, lift, kick it out. Left foot, point, flex, point, flex. And then circle, change direction. And then make a circle with the foot. So just loosening that knee joint, change direction. Kick out the knee. And then swing the leg. Good. Lift and lower. So for the warriors, I think we're ready. You can stand at the front of the mat. We're going to do the warrior one first. Mountain posture. And then bend the knees, step back with the right foot first. Slightly out to the side, so you've got space for the hips to go forward. Keep pressing into the back edge of that right foot. Left knee is over the ankle. Bend a little bit deeper. Pull the belly in. Chest open. And then take the hands forward, so the palms are facing forward. Shoulders relax. And then take the arms up. So here you're welcome to take the arms slightly wider, especially if the shoulders feel tight. Arms are straight. Keep pressing into the feet. Keep pulling the belly slightly in. Chest open. And breathe. Deep breath in. Exhale fully. One more. And exhale. And then from there, take the arms wide, lift the back heel, and then just step to the front. Arms go up. And then exhale down. Bend the knees, take it to the other side. So left foot back, slightly out to the side, heel in, toes out. First, find stability in the legs, back of the foot, edge of the foot pressing into the mat, and the toes, front right toes are facing forward, knee over the ankle. And then bring the hands to face forward. You'll feel there's a slight twist in the hip area, the pelvis. Keep pressing into that back foot. Shoulders relax. And then take the arms up. And we stay for 3 breaths. So subtly adjusting the body as you stay in the posture, looking straight ahead. This is your warrior posture. Building strength, feeling open, courageous. Take a deep breath in as you reach into the fingers. And then exhale the hands down out to the side. Lift the back heel, bend that knee. Then just step to the front. Arms up and down. Warrior two. So bend the knees, step back with the right foot. And this time you can straighten the front leg. So the warrior two is a slightly deeper stance as we face the hips to the side of the mat now. And the back foot is in line with the short edge of the mat. Left toes are facing forward. And then from here, bring the hands to the hips. Feel how the shoulders are open. We're going to bend that left knee. We're going to make sure that the knee is tracking in line with the toes. It's not going beyond the toes or beyond the ankle. And then keep pressing into the back foot. So here you'll notice if you're standing too wide, too narrow. Good. This is your starting posture or position. And from here, turn the head to the front. Take the arms out. Bring them in line with the shoulders. Palms facing down. And then reach into the fingers. Reach. Arms, shoulders relaxed. Pull the belly slightly in. Keep grounding the back right foot. Keep grounding the front left foot, knee over the ankle. As you exhale, you can go a little bit deeper into it, but only if it feels that you're still able to breathe and enjoy the posture. Then as we exhale, go a little bit deeper. And then as we inhale, we come up, straighten the leg, take the hands up. And then bring the hands into the heart. So standing as we are, we're going to take it to the other side, turning the left toes in and the right toes back. Good. And then make sure the back edge of the left foot is in line with the short edge of the mat. Let's bring the hands back to the hips. So again, the hips are facing the side. And then bend into that right knee. So now you're facing the back of the mat. Look over that right shoulder. And then from there, you can take the arms up. So just in line with the shoulders, palms facing down. And breathe. Go a little bit deeper. Keep grounding into the back foot, so the left foot. And keep feeling that knee, that right knee is over the ankle. Belly pulls in. So that belly pulling in is just there to keep you balanced and keep the lower back stable. Exhale. If you want, you can go a little bit deeper. And then inhale, straighten the leg, lift the hands, and then bring the hands into the heart. Good. And then just turn the toes to face the side of the mat. We're going to bring the feet together. So heels in, toes in, heels in, toes in, heels in, toes. Do a couple more if you need to. And then keep the hands in the heart, close the eyes. And feel the body. Feel the breath. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. And then you can relax the hands down. Take them wide, all the way up. Palms touch, we stretch, and then exhale the hands back into the heart. And then just with a moment of gratitude for your body, strong body, the warrior body, we can open the eyes. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed that little tutorial. Feel free to add the warriors into your sequences or just in the morning, especially if you need some more oomph to take on the day. Namaste.